Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to use Framer AI to build websites in 2024. And if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. Right, so the first thing you'd want to do is to of course go to framer.com, and you would need to sign up for an account if you do not have an account. And if you do have an account, then of course you can log in and follow along. Alright, so over here on the dashboard or the projects page, if you have a new account, you will be greeted with the screen, and of course you will see a no projects right here. So that's basically what you will see here. What we need to do is to of course start building. So we'll just click on this new project right here to start a new project. Alright, so this is of course our new project, and of course as you can see right now, there is a single page on the canvas. There are a couple of options you can do. You can add a new page, sections, navigations, menus. There are a ton of things you can choose from here. A ton of really creative things, including certain elements like media, forms, icons, and a couple of other stuffs, including socials. Right, so that's not really our interest. We're looking to use the AI tool available to us in Framer to of course create websites. So what I will do is to click on this right here. So there's a drop down menu when you click on this, and what we want to do is to go over to files, and we would want to go over to generate page, this one right here. So I'll just click on it, and it will pop up something like this. This is a dialog box. We can expand this if we want. So this is basically where you get to type your prompts in. The prompts describing how you want your website to be, how you want it to be built, and a lot of that. So basically this is how you would want to go about the process. But then again, if you want to make this a lot easier, I would recommend you using another AI software or tool like ChatGPT. If you have some other AI tool that you're currently using, you can use it to generate creative AI prompts, because this can get really lengthy. And what I will do is that I will input this or insert this into, as you can see, it's really lengthy, and personally this isn't something you'd want to do on your own. If you're using some AI tool, the length of characters you might need to type will just be something like this, and the AI software will probably do the rest for you. So I'll just click on start right here. Alright, so basically this is the result we got. As you can see, it really does look nice. Right, it really does look nice. It is as expected, and though you can be a lot specific about what you want, things like the color scheme, the background images, and a lot of that. So personally this is okay if it's a static page or a static site you're looking to build. This is perfect, and it makes the work a lot easier. Let's say you have a client who's just interested in a single page website or something like that, so this is really perfect for you. Alright, so that said, if I click on an element like like this one right here, so as you can see, this is currently the color scheme. There is an option to change the color scheme if that is what you're looking to do. And right, so you can change the fill and tweak some other settings there. So I'll just click on the text. There should be an option to change the text. Okay, this is the content, the font, right? So this is basically we can change the font to something else if that is what we are looking to do. Probably I'll just change it to something like this, right? This looks good. Alright, so that can work. So basically you can tweak this to suit what you want, and when you're done you can simply click on publish right here, and that will work. Alright, so that's basically it for this tutorial. If this video did give you some insights, then do well to give this video a like, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in another video.